Hello guys, I'm Hassan Chikur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this lesson we will learn about scale command in Autocad 2021. And guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, with the scale tool we can reduce or enlarge our selected objects and keeping the same object after the scaling. You can find this tool from the home tab and into the modify panel, or you can type in the command line SC for scaling. Now we have this object. Now we practice our scale tool on this geometry. To scale object, we specify a base point and give a scale factor. The base point acts as a center point and it remains stationary. So now apply the scale tool, select object and click on scale tool. Now you can specify the base point which remains constant or stationary. And now you can give the scale factor. Here you can note a 1 point, and which is when you give scale factor greater than 1, then it enlarges the object, and when you give the scale factor less than 1, it shrink the object or reduce the object. So if I give the scale factor 2 and press enter, it enlarges this object 2 times compared to its original size. So in this way we can use the scale tool. Now we see the scale tool again, and for that type SC and press enter. Now you select your object and press enter. Give the base point. Now in the command line it prompts you copy and reference tool, and to make a copy of this, select copy and give the scale factor 1.5. So in this way you can make your copy and you can scale your object. Now I delete it. Now we see the reference. For that, go to scale tool again, select your object, press enter and give the base point. Now we go to reference, and for that type R and enter. Now it specify reference length. If I specify reference length like this, now it specify new length. Now I can specify new length anywhere in the drawing, and in this way I can scale my object. To see the proper way, now if I draw a line like this and I want to scale this object according to this reference line, now activate the scale command and select your object and press enter. Now specify the base point. Now go to reference. Now specify the reference length. Now we specify the new length of this object. Now in this way we can specify our object according to the reference length. So in this way we can use copy and reference and use the scale factor to scaling our object, and in the scale tool we can enlarge or reduce the size of objects. So guys, this is the video. I hope you like this. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.